Microplastics less than 5 millimeters originate from two main pathways. Primary microplastics are intentionally added to products like cosmetics, while secondary microplastics are generated through processes such as tire abrasion, which alone is estimated to release about 3.6 million tons annually. IUCN 2021, JRC 2024. Nanoplastics, less than 100 nanometers, can penetrate cell membranes and enter living organisms. IUCN 2021. Synthetic textiles release up to 700,000 microfibers per wash. IUCN 2017. Soils have been found to contain up to 2,870 particles per kilogram. Zhou et al. 2019. Inhalation and ingestion have led to the detection of microplastics in human blood. Leslie et al. 2022 and organs, Wang et al. 2024. Microplastics bind heavy metals and pesticides, increasing toxic loads, Qi et al. 2021, and persist in the environment for decades, Rochman et al. 2013.